Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to update software version for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application. Of course your speaker should be connected with the app, then tap on it at the device list. And you can click more right here if you have this pop-up, or you can go to the settings at the right top. Then go to update firmware. Firmware version is the same as software, so firmware is the same as software. Tap at this line and click download, and now install. Now we need to wait and don't use your speaker, just wait until this update finished. Then click right here the check mark and let's check. Is we updated? Yes, we have the latest software version. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.